If you want to invest money in the stock market and grow your wealth, but you're unsure where to start, then today's video is very important for you. Today, we will thoroughly understand the stock market, learn how to invest money, how to make your first profit, and how to invest in the right stocks. And if you want to start investing in the stock market, then subscribe now. In the next video, we will tell you about the best stock companies that have given excellent returns. First, let's understand what the stock market is and how it works. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell small portions of a company in the form of shares, becoming owners of a part of that company. Then, as the company grows, your invested money also grows and its value increases. For example, if you bought one share for $100 and the company's value doubles, your $100 share will become $200. And if you had invested $1,000, it would become $2,000. But how is all this practically possible? We will learn that too. Now, let's talk about how to invest in the stock market. If you are from Pakistan, use the Pakistan Stock Exchange. If you are from India, use Ind Money. And if you are from international cities in Europe or America, you can use apps like DeGiro, eToro, and XTB. You can learn how to create an account and make your first investment by searching on YouTube with the app's name. To make your first profit, you will need to buy shares of the right companies. But how do you choose the right company? It is safe to invest in companies whose profit is increasing, debt is low, revenue is stable or increasing, and that are market leaders. This is because such companies are more likely to grow. For example, you can consider companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Alphabet. Another method is to purchase shares of companies whose products we use daily. This way, your money will remain safe and also grow. Your years of hard work will be wasted if you choose the wrong company. Therefore, investing money in the right company, meaning buying the right stocks, is the real key. For example, if we invest $1,000 in Alphabet Company from January to December, and Alphabet gave a 20% return in that year, it means your $1,000 would have become $1,200. If you cannot invest the full $1,000, you can save and invest $100 monthly. But investment is essential. This is what can bring you financial freedom alongside your job or savings. If you want to know which other companies, like Alphabet, gave excellent returns last year, then subscribe and comment, and I will bring the next video on that topic.